Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and it's been quite a while since we have done a video. We had SEMA 2019, we had the bird flu I think I must have caught when I got super sick, and so I'm still a little bit sick, but getting through it, and we're kind of back to normal business, and so we're getting back on doing some more videos and different things here in the shop and kind of show you what we're doing and new products. So right behind me, we have a I think it's a 76 F250 Highboy. And so we're working on a kit for Coyote swaps where you can slide one of these right into your four-wheel drive vehicle if you have a Highboy. So as you know, Highboys are slightly different than some of the F-150s and F-350s, and so the frames are a little bit different. They're about 34 inches parallel all the way to the back of the truck. So we've been mocking up the Coyote motor in here, making sure our Coyote swap headers that they are going to fit, and kind of getting everything positioned in the right location where you can get your power steering mounted, your air compressor can be mounted, alternator can be mounted, and so double checking the radiator which we have in the front, making sure it still clears all the additional things that are slightly different with a Highboy pickup truck. So luckily everything's going pretty good. We only have to make a couple little changes for the Highboy kit. We have a truck motor installed and using it, and then we also have fit the alternator compressor. It clears, and then in addition you have the car motor which puts the alternator in just a slightly different spot. Anyway, so we're working really hard to make sure that this is going to fit and get this ready to go. Probably, I'd say in about 4 weeks we should have this kit ready for sale. We'll probably put it up online in a couple weeks and start taking some orders as we produce the kit. So a very cool product for the guys that like Highboys. We have radiators, we will have the install kit, we'll have fuel tanks for these as well. You might want to try to use the OEM Ford four-wheel drive transfer case, but we also have it set up for the advanced adapter if you want to run a Dana 20 or the Atlas transfer case. So air conditioning, all those additional things we'll have with it as well. So we've got a lot coming out. 2020 is going to be kind of a breakout year for us, to just tons of product coming online to help you with your Ford or Chevy pickup truck. A lot of Coyote swap parts, which you'll only be able to get through Fender Garage on our website. Stay tuned for more. A lot coming your way. Thanks.